I'm going to tell you guys the 3 rules. I told my mom because she's going to Las Vegas for work. The 3 rules of things that you should never do.
Never.
Well, when you're just visiting. If you live there, some people just do this.
Okay.
Never. Go in a dark alley.
By myself, you said, right? Okay.
Ever.
Should I do that anywhere?
No. And by yourself, I mean, you could probably go in one, but with like a lot of your friends, not random strangers.
Okay. Second rule?
Second rule, never talk to strangers.
Okay.
Third rule, don't go to a casino.
No, you know that Vegas is known for the casinos, right?
Yes.
So how should I manage that? Just don't go in it?
Walk on the other side of the street.
Okay. So those are my Vegas rules, correct?
Is that a rule too?
Alex, do you have any rules for me for Vegas?
Got any rules, kid?
Alex, do you have any rules for me for Vegas? Alex, any rules?
Don't chew with your mouth open.
Or like...
Like him.
What?
He breaks the rules.